Welcome to my channel Anna's tutorial. Today's topic is a processing writing. Processing of coffee. Coffee is a kind of popular hot drink. We drink it for its delicious taste. This drink brings energy when we are exhausted for hard work. Coffee can be made in the house in an easy process. Some simple steps are followed to prepare coffee. At first, the four main ingredients water, coffee, powder, sugar, and milk are taken. Then the water is boiled for some time on slow fire. Again, the required quantity of coffee powder is taken in a pot. Now the boiled water is poured in the pot. Thus the hot water and coffee powder are mixed properly. Obtained. Next the liquor is poured in cups. Now sugar and milk are mixed with the liquor and stirred for some time until the sugar is dissolved. Thus coffee is ready for drinking. At last, the coffee is served hot. Thank you for watching. Stay with me and like, share, subscribe.